Also, some bossy singing. Bossy singing. You clap on yourself, man. You clap on yourself, no? Wonderful. The Jamaica Constabulary Force Choir with Rejoice, the King is Born. And then you would have seen someone that we know well right up front. The tall lady who's been here a couple of times. There she is. All right, so these folks will have you smoothly riding into the new year. At the speed limit, of course. From Bike Gallery owner Alison Ball is right there. And marketing manager, Big Pop. 67 pounds you did lose, huh?
Yes, sir.
You're putting it back on, sir?
No, sir. Can I put it on, no, sir? It's hard to come off.
Still go gym and thing?
Yes, but we still go gym and we still eat right, same way. And so when we can't make it at gym, we work out our way all same way and thing, no?
Good morning to you both.
Yes,
Welcome to Smile Jamaica. Alison, it says here that if you get a CG 150 bike, you'll provide service and stuff for it. This is a CG 150 that I'm sitting on?
That is a CG 150.
So this is the only bike that I could bring in and you will sort me out?
All right, this is the bike on the makeover package.
Okay, tell me about the makeover package.
All right, the makeover package is for 15,000 plus GCT. So you bring any bike, any old CG bike you have.
No matter how it mash up?
No matter the year.
I CM 15,000.
CM 15,000.
You put it up brand new.
We change the headlight, we change the clock, we change the tank, we change the front fender, we change the seat, we change the side cover, and we change the tail light for only 15,000 plus GCT.
You change up everything?
Everything. Brand new.
You
zoom out brand new. Right.
So these are new bikes, so
yeah, these are new
These are not the remodel.
No, this is our brand bike.
But basically, the remodel one, when you zoom in your old bike, you zoom out
like
with
this.
something look like this,
look
same like this.
Because
even our things we wanna change, we spray them back where, you understand? We make everything look brand new.
Yeah. So I guess the CG 150 is one of the popular bikes around.
Yes, right.
And suppose I don't buy it from you. It don't matter?
It don't matter. Those are the bikes we need you to carry.
Fantastic. Tell me a little bit about the bike gallery as a marketing man. Tell me
All
a
right.
little bit about it.
Well, bike gallery, right now we have these are some of the bikes where we can tell us, yo, you know, some bike right now on the street where people are say, boy, them different. This car more modern thing. It's me say, you know, the young youth will go for bike. So you know, so yo, this is a thing now, when new brand, 2018, 2017, and all of that. Everything more up to date than them bike there. We're out there right now. We're not calling them bike there.
Yeah.
You understand? Yeah. So right now, Lama Arma take the street right now like one of them brand new car company that will just come down in our Jamaica.
Yeah.
So the brand now, I got locked down the whole Jamaica. And here why cheap? Are the cheapest.
How much?
Because, what price again, Auntie?
Just 135,000.
135,000.
Including GC.
For different kinds of bike or
We have 11 different colors.
You can't get no bike. None of this at Jamaica right now for 135.
We have the latest features.
We have the latest features on this as well too. You understand?
You mean I just ride with that one?
Trust me. No, we are tall at Jamaica, you can't get a bike cheap like this.
Oh, where is bike gallery?
17 Cleardale Avenue. Everybody knows just Cleardale Avenue, the Agley Park Road.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay. So how long is this promotion for?
From now till
I
January.
come beside me, I feel like me at turn.
Just try to free that camera right now.
No, I feel me at turn. Unless me ever come off right now.
Right.
Yeah. How
The
much?
promotion is from now until January the 15th.
January the 15th.
Right.
So again, no matter how it mash up and look
Bring
decrepit
it
and
down.
thing, I just bring in the bike and you sort it out and we're good.
Right, so we have a
Brand
grand
new,
opening for
everything.
Friday and Saturday. We
What you
have
have?
discount our grand opening.
Grand opening.
Right.
Yeah.
So you know what yet?
Yeah, we open already, but we just do our...
Oh, so you have our official opening.
Official opening.
So you
Friday
just
and
start.
Saturday.
Yeah, it was
Hold on.
open September.
Oh. So you have a big thing Friday.
Friday and Saturday.
And what you have special on Friday and Saturday?
We have party get up to 50% off, 30%, 20%. We have bikes, you come down, you can view all the colors, we have 11 different colors, and then you can choose and you're entitled to a discount as well.
The parts are 50%, not the bike.
Not the bike,
Oh,
the parts.
I'm sure you know that, though. But I go down there and say to people, them say when you can get bike for 50% off.
No, but if you know, say, yo, they might get cheaper if you got to take off 50%.
Too much. This is the only size, or you have bigger bikes?
We have 250cc as well, but they are not yet here.
This
except
is
the
what?
shipment. This is 150cc.
150.
We
Yeah,
have
because it said the
150,
CG
200.
150, don't?
Right, we
So
have
it's-
150 and 200.
So it's
now.
only the 150 you fix though, not the 200.
No,
and
man,
the
we
200.
fix it 200 because these come in 200.
No, I mean the
The makeover,
promotion.
yes, man, we do
Oh, it's part of
200.
that. So then why it say CG?
Because most people used to the 150 CG.
Okay, all right. Well, that's good news. Good news for bike lovers. So go to Bike Gallery, ask for the owner.
17
Alison
Claredale Avenue,
Yeah.
Hagley Park Road.
And ask
So,
for the
I want to
marketing
make sure
manager.
anyone who's a big pop in the street just asking about Llama Armor. CG!
Hey,
A BGPA here, Bike Gallery Parts and Accessories. Make sure to come out. 17 Claredale Avenue, Friday and Saturday, grand opening. Come out for this. Remember, Llama Armor. I mean, the Santa Fe.
All right. Me like that. All right, folks.
Yeah.
So again, go check out Alison or Big Pop at Bike Gallery.